And at this point, joining the newest product ambassador of the all-new Journey Plus, Mr. Alden Richards, we call in the president of Honda Philippines Incorporated, Miss Sayakara.
Being the new queen of the old Journey Plus.
It's truly an honor, and I'm grateful to join the newest product ambassador for the all-new Journey Plus. Together, we have an exciting journey ahead with so much more to look forward to. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nagpunta dito. Kamusta kayo?
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Alden Richards. Well, back on stage, the newest product ambassador of the all-new Journey Plus, Alden Richards. Thank you very much. May we request our cast to please remain on stage and request you, talikod po tayo, and everybody please stand up. Tayo po tayong lahat. Our photographer will take a photo from the stage kasama ang aking audience. Everybody please raise your hand, number one side. Number one. Smile for the camera. Once again, wave to the camera and smile. Thank you very much once again to all our executives on stage, to our audience, and of course to our product ambassador. Maraming salamat muli, Alden Richards! Now it is just fitting that we all get ready for something that's even more exciting. Please direct your attention to the screen because we are so fortunate to be the ones to witness and have a first look at promotional video of the all-new Giorno Plus.
The all-new TVC of the Honda Giorno Plus, of course, with its newest ambassador, Alden Richards. Just taking a look at these babies and that style. Parang masarap sabihin talaga sa kayo dito. Hello, love, goodbye. Oh, diba? Pero parang kayo mo ng goodbye. Sulat nito yung hello, love, again. Right? So yung makita si Alden Richards again. Alright, let's bring him out! Once again, the newest ambassador of the Honda Giorno Plus, Alden Richards.
Labas-pasok pala ako dito. Pwede ko ba kayong... Medyo matagal ko hindi nagawang kumanta on stage eh. Gusto niyo ba? Okay. Music please!
Alam mo ba, muntikan na sumuko ang puso ko.
Let's go!
Sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Pag nakatingin sa'yo mata, ang mundo ay kalma. Ngayon nandiyan ka na, di ba mamadali? Ikaw lang gagawin sa ako kay bumuli. Di na maghahanap ng pumanong sagot sa mga tanong na ikaw ang katiyakan mo. Hindi na ako
source told me that the Giorno Plus that you have in your home is actually the matte gunpowder black.
Yes, of course.
Saan mo balak o planong bumiyahe kasamang all-new Giorno Plus?
Well, kasi ngayon parang yung may bahay kami sa province, we're basically near Tagaytay. So actually, very efficient and that's the best route I can take my Giorno Plus to. Kasi malapit lang sa bahay, tapos medyo side roads, maganda yung scenery. So it's very much accustomed to the style and yung scenery papuntang Tagaytay. Bagay na bagay yun, nakaka-relax yun.
Sarap ng hangin, ano?
Sarap, malamig, habang malamig pa.
Pero parang mas masaya kung may kasama.
Yan tayo.
Di po ba? Sino naman ang kasama?
Ayan ang we'll be right back.
Hindi, pwede mo namang hindi sagutin.
Yes,
Tinanong
yes,
ko
yes.
lang naman.
Oo naman, Grace.
Ay,
No
palakpakan
problem.
naman natin Alden Richards!
Thank you so much.
You perfectly sang it right there. And perfect model indeed for the all-new Honda Giorno Plus. I know you've seen Alden, you've pictured him with it, you've seen these with the models, but right now, let's keep everybody excited and take a look at the accessorized units of the all-new Giorno Plus. And we will reveal that. Please take a look. To the right side of the stage, we have 5 units of the accessorized all-new Giorno Plus in different colors. Again, we are offering this in Picante Orange, Pearl Jubilee White, Matte Gunpowder Black, and Virgin Beige.
For this, of course, Valentine's weekend. Yan yung sinabi ko kahapon sa video, but of course, I would like to thank my Honda family. Thank you so much for making me part of this very successful and always #1 product here in the Philippines. And sana po sa lahat ng nandito ngayon, we saw the launch of the all-new Giorno Plus. So we expect to see you guys on this one way or another. So please support the all-new Giorno Plus and of course Honda motorcycles. So maraming salamat po and God bless everyone. Good day.
Alden, meron pa kaming aabangan mula sa'yo. Meron ka bang bagong pelikula? Meron
Yes.
bang kasunod yung Hello, Love Again?
Yan, so actually po, noong February 13, we just launched and aired Hello Love Again on Netflix. So actually timing sa Valentine's. And for this year, meron po akong gagawing show with GMA. I'm going to be hosting another show for GMA this year. And kung ano yung laman nun, I will reveal it soon. So stay tuned po tayo dyan.
Meron ba kaming meron ka bang ka-partner dyan sa i-host mo?
Di ko pa nga alam eh,
Ay, di
pero
pa, di pa.
update
Malapit
natin
na,
sila.
malapit na.
Malapit na yan.
Malapit na.
Siguro mga second quarter po of this year.
Ako talagang maraming salamat. And we have the very own, the very special Alden Richards greeting us on this Valentine's weekend. Abangan po ninyo ang kanyang mga susunod na programa at pelikula. Palakpakan natin muli, Alden Richards sporting the all-new Honda Giorno Plus. Perfect for his style and perfect for his lifestyle. Parang ang sarap pagpaligaw pag nakikita
Diba?
mo yung mga bike na yan.
Ang sarap ng iuwi.
Oo. Now let's take a look back at the unforgettable moments from the media launch which happened back in January 25. Please turn to our screens and watch this.
Throwing hundreds, wouldn't be the first time I done it. Throwing hundreds,